Hello, Debut from Paris. How are you? I'm fine, Debut. I just update my viewers before I go. Hello, Ka. Australia, Caradas. Haven't seen you for a while. I was overseas. Okay, thank you, Caradas. Can you join again to my channel? Please join again to my channel. Carada, use any application? Yeah, I use a Patreon. You can join my membership there, my Patreon. You can see more of me there. You're looking nose and just always open, mommy. No, you go to my Patreon. You're at Shakira Ray. I Shakira Ray. I Shakira Ray. Hello, make me your slave. No, I don't have money to pay you. Which one? The Patreon. I have link there put on my profile. You see, you click the link and you can go to my Patreon. Patreon post. Yeah, $5 on my membership. You can go there. You can go to Sati Vlogs. Patreon post $5. You big boba. Really? Hello to my 226 viewer. Really? Ano what's that? Always come back. And I have your number. You see my number on my profile. I hope all your family are fine too. Yes, very fine. Very fine, David. Hello, sexy. Hello. Hi, Billy. Hello. Hello. Hello, Rema. Hello. Queen up, can you make sleep stream? No, because if I snore, no what? Okay. Hi, my friend. Hello, Charles. Caffrey. Hello. To my moderator. Hi. Hello guys, please join again my membership because no, I have 3 months that I have no monetize, so all my membership are enabled. No, disabled. Can't use, suspended. Hi, hello. Go to my 299. Hi. Shout out everyone. How beautiful as always. Yes. Do I look at this age of 42? Because some said I am 55. Sick mom, sexy mom. Hello, Sereni. Hello, Gracianus Dosa. Hello, Mary Malabat. No, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I make sleep stream because there are lots of likes now. I will give you donation. You can make more money from YouTube. What if I have kept violation? If I snore? I don't know if that's true. Maybe one day I will get a sleep stream. I'll sleep well. Or snore. Why do you like snore? Woman, you have a video call. Hello, Jen Hewitt. XX Crazy. You're from? Hello, Rodney Webb. Where can we see more of you? On my Patreon. I have put there. Put on my Patreon. On my profile. I have put the link there on my Patreon. The Sexy Chubby Mom. My Patreon is, I think it's Sexy Chubby Mom. But also Chubby Sexy Mom or Sexy Chubby Mom. But I put the link on my description about Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Real Twins Macron. Hello. Hello. Where are you from? Philippines? Thompson Luis. I am from Philippines. You're from? Can you put it on screen? You can't. Wait. No. I have link there. On the profile, you can. Wait, I will. That was a sexy chubby. Wait, I will comment. You can see my body. looking for. No. No, I don't have husband.